3 days until GCSE Maths Paper 3. So if you want to pause the video, have a go at this question and then we'll have a look at it together. So B, C and D are points on the circumference of a circle with centre O. AB and AD are tangents to the circle and angle DAB is 58 degrees. We want to work out the size of angle BCD, which is this angle here. So it does give us a few hints in the question, the fact that they are tangents. So we know that if we have two tangents, then the length of these tangents when they meet at this point here will be the same. We also know that these lines here, which are both the radius of the circle, will also be equal. So if we were to split this down the centre here, we would have two similar right angle triangles. And we know that they're right angled because the radius and the tangent meet at right angle. So we can actually just say OBA, let's put OBA is the same as ADO, or ODA if you put it the other way around, because the radius and the tangent meet at a 90-degree angle. And then knowing that, if we were to split this into two, so because they're equal, that would be 25 and 25, which would mean if we look at just this right angle triangle, we know that angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So if we've got 25 plus 90, which will add to give us 115. Take this away from 180. So 180 take 115 is 65, which means that this angle is 65 degrees. And this angle is 65 degrees because angles in a triangle sum to 180. Now if we look at the total angle that we've got here, we'll just call this angle DOB. That is 65 plus 65, which is 130 degrees. And then we have the angle at the centre here, and this is the angle on the circumference. We know the angle on the circumference is half the angle at the centre. So that means that angle BCD is a half of 130, which is 65 degrees. And again, because the angle at the circumference is half the angle at the centre. So I'll just put 65 degrees is our final answer.